Is Reyaz Sanvarwala. I live in New York. I actually hail from India. I have been living here for almost 13 years. And recently, Fatima, my daughter Benazir, and myself, all three of us had attended those level 1 and level 2. And in both the levels, I learned a lot. I actually learned the science about of sound healing, vibrations, how they can affect your body, all the energies that surround us and how they can affect your health, your well-being. I actually was not aware that I was always under the impression that only pills and medicines which are produced by pharmaceuticals can only give you relief from certain types of problems and mental health, etc., etc. But I was not aware that even energy and sound healing can also be a very big and important process of healing in one's life. I experienced it firsthand, and I was really impressed because I could really feel the effects of the vibrations of the singing bowls. And all three of us who attended from the family, we were really impressed, and we were really taken aback by the impact of these bowls. And so what we did is we attended 2 sessions, and thereafter again ourselves. Currently I have 4 bowls, and with those 4 bowls I have practiced. We practice amongst ourselves on each other, and we have found very good results. It really calms you down. It really brings your blood pressure. I suffer from high pressure, but once they do the singing bowls on me, I can really feel relaxed, and it really works wonders on us. It gives us a good night's sleep. It relaxes our nerves and muscles and everything, our whole body. And it really is very, very effective, and I would like to continue pursuing this learning of this, and to spread also this art and science amongst the people here. And the goal is that I would like to maybe by doing the healing sessions on ourselves and maybe spread it amongst the people around us. So that is my goal, and I really look forward to attending some more classes and learning more about this in the future. I would also like to add here that, as far as my profession goes, I am by profession I'm a market research analyst. I work for a durable medical equipment company, and I mostly work with people who are disabled. We go to their houses and we set up adaptive equipments for them. So I am one of those persons who does the wheelchair and other power wheelchair evaluations of people who are really disabled. I work with people who have ALS and MS and other very severe diseases. And having worked with these kind of people, I think this alternative therapy can also be highly beneficial for these kind of people, and I definitely would like to promote this. And I must mention here that I'm very grateful to International Academy of Sound Healing to have brought this alternative therapy out here in the United States and introduced us to this alternative therapy. And right now I'm working with the basic 3-bowl set or rather the 4-bowl set, which is a very good stress reliever, and I am finding very good results. The outcome is really very great.